If I would comment on one thing, whether the Arab Spring was good for Iraq or bad, from experience and from our dealing with many international business representatives in Europe, in the United States, in Asia, everybody thought it is good for Iraq because that was at the beginning of 2012 that Iraq would be a strategic market for them, mainly because it's stable, it has gone through these phases, it has opportunities, it has a lot of wealth, but really we the Iraqis, I would say generally, haven't given a good example to use this opportunity. Otherwise, it was there, it was within your grasp. But with this political security difficulties, this has hampered really Iraq to be that strategic market where Kurdistan would have benefited, Iraq would have benefited, the region would have benefited. So these internal complications really have so far has denied us that opportunity. We hope we will overcome it, but you never know.